So today's Wednesday and we invited our friends to have dinner with us, and I'll be making pork chop with mushroom, parmesan chicken, and a potato salad, but I'll show you first my potato salad.
So I have my carrots here. I will just cut them in four. I don't want it to make too small. There you go. Drop. Oops. Similar with my potatoes, I will just cut them in four.
So here are the remaining ingredients for my potato salad. 1 cup of mayonnaise. Then a celery. One-third cup of onion and pepper. And we have 2 eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and 1/4 cup of pineapple, and we'll do half tablespoon of white sugar. We'll have my lime, my calamansi. Instead of using vinegar, I'll use calamansi from my garden. And then I have 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I don't want to use too much salt. And that's it. So here it is. So here's my potato salad.